Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to customize fonts in Discord. While Discord doesn't offer built-in font changes, there are creative ways to personalize your text. We'll explore using Markdown for basic styling and discuss third-party applications for more extensive customization. Remember, these methods can add a unique flair to your messages and enhance your communication experience. Let's dive into making your Discord text stand out. Discord's Markdown features are a simple way to style your text without any external tools. You can make text bold by placing 2 asterisks on each side, or italicize it with single underscores. For code snippets, use 3 backticks, and to strike through text, simply use 2 tildes. These basic commands offer a quick and easy way to emphasize words and improve readability in your conversations. For more extensive font changes, some users turn to third-party Discord clients. These modified versions often come with built-in themes and plugins that allow for a wide range of visual customizations, including different fonts. However, it's crucial to be aware of the potential security risks associated with unofficial software. Always ensure you download from highly reputable sources to safeguard your account and personal information. Another popular method involves using online font generators. These websites transform your standard text into various Unicode characters that appear as different fonts. You simply type your message into the generator, copy the stylized output, and then paste it directly into your Discord chat. This approach is safe, works on every Discord platform, and doesn't require downloading any additional software, offering a quick and easy way to add flair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.